In recent years, Kenya and most African countries have witnessed an emergence and alarming upsurge of lifestyle conditions that have puzzled and shocked the populace in equal measure. Research has traced these health problems to chemicals present in the farm produce through pesticides and fertilizers. One organization is determined to reverse this situation.
We promote organic agriculture for the benefits that it brings in terms of ensuring food safety. A lot of studies have been done in Kenya and on pesticide residues in our food, and we have seen a lot of, in most of the studies that have been done, they have showed high amounts of pesticide residues in the local food that we are consuming. And some of these have been attributed to diseases, lifestyle diseases, cancer. Some of them have been attributed to reproductive disorders. Some of them are neurotoxic, that means they affect the nervous system.
In 2018, KOAN set out an initiative that has proved to be a game changer in the promotion of producing and consuming organic food.
We realized there has been a lot of challenges for farmers to take their produce to the market. And therefore we set out to establish a system where farmers can come together, bulk their products using collection centers, and so that they can be able to maintain quality of their produce, we have cold houses. And then from that, training them on how to grade their produce. But if they can sort their produce, grade and pack them properly, then they can be able to get better prices.
When we are talking about farm to fork, we are talking about, number one, organizing these farmers into formal structures where they are able to trade adequately with formal markets, such as supermarkets, restaurants, grocery chains, and things like that, and up and coming traders. As well, we think about how to capacity build these farmers to be able to produce organically. This means they have to be trained in terms of organic production.
KOAN is currently working with other partners who are committed to turning Kenya into an organic eating nation, and so far have collectively reached thousands of farmers, with KOAN priding itself of successfully working with close to 1,000 of these farmers.
Together with KOAN, we have been rating very well, and this was to ensure that the community we are working with are able to do organic farming. They are being certified to ensure that the product which they grow, they're able to access good market.
Kwani imetuwezesha kupata wakulima wengi zaidi. Maanake wametuahidi tutapata soko. Na hiyo soko tutapata ni ile ya organic. Wametuchukua. Sisi ni kama watoto wao. Ndio tukiingia kwa wakulima tuwaambie soko iko.
We have worked with KOAN for quite some time. They provided us for a platform for market. We have been teaching farmers on producing organic foods, and now farmers they have market.
Hapa nyumbani nilikuwa na matatizo sana na madamu wangu. Akikula hizo mboga za sokoni inamsumbua sana. Wakati niliinstructiwa na daktari, sasa kutoka hapo ndio nilianza kupanda vitu kama masukuma na doko kwa magunia, ikiwa itumii fertilizer, itumii chemical. Wakati tulianza kukula hizo tu, nikaona changes. Nikiendelea ndio nilipatana na KOAN, wakaanza kunifunza kulima kilimo hai.
They tell us about the new methods of farming organically. They also organize for us to go for trainings, and they market for us our products.
As KOAN helped farmers increase on bumper harvest, farm produce surplus became a norm, and this encouraged the subsistence farmers to expand into commercial farming.
Ushirika wetu umekuwa mzuri. Pahali tumefika na KOAN, tumekuwa na elimu ya kutosha. Tuko na ile elimu ya kufanya kazi ya kulima. Tumefunzwa vile tunaweza zuia mazingira yetu, na tena ile vitu tunatumia si vitu ya bei kali. Ile ya conventional ni very costly, bei yake iko juu sana, na mpaka sasa tumekuwa nao. Halafu tena wakaunganisha sisi na traders wale pia tunauzia vitu kama kikundi.
Nilikuwa nafanya bila ujuzi, lakini vile KOAN walikuja, nimeanza kupata ile ujuzi zaidi na knowledge, na pia certification.
The results have been amazing.
Kwan is helping farmers with trades, weighing scales. We can see collection centers where they aggregate their produce, and then from there we take them to the traders. And also Kwan has helped farmers have a cold room. You find that in that cold room, whenever we have a surplus for the perishable or perishable produce, we take them there until the next delivery.
Whereas in the past the youth have viewed farming as an old people's sport, many are now picking up on trade thanks to the organic farming message that Kwan is spreading.
Eventually hata ukienda kazi ufanye anything, bado utarudi tu, ukirita utaingia tu ukulima. So niliona wacha tu niingie direct into farming. Population ya watu inazidi kuwa kubwa na hao watu wanahitaji chakula. It's our time sasa tuingie ukulima to feed the nation.
I have a close family friend who's ailing from the diabetes and she's she's my mom. So that was one of the motivational factors, because when I started, my idea was producing medicine for the likes of my mom. And that is healthy food, and that is produced in a healthy way, and that is the only way is the organic way.
The organic farmer is creating secondary opportunities for traders and other business owners.
So when I was starting my journey in organic, of course when I googled, I was looking for local organizations that was dealing with organic, and I stumbled on Kwan. So I called them just at about the time in 2016 when I was registering my company. And they visited my farm and we started a collaboration. So I used to call and they used to ask for help, so they would send their field officers or program officers to come and support me through the organic journey. I was active, I signed up, I became a member. But then now when I was starting our outlet in 2019, I of course naturally reached out to them. And I told them, we're starting an outlet, my farms are not able to sustain the shop, but is it possible that you have farmers who are certified and have produce? And luckily, at that point is when they had projects that was going on, whereby they had two groups, one in Moranga and one in Machakos, that were certified PGS, and the farmers were now ready to sell their things to the market. So I visited their farmers, I went around because I have to know where the food is coming from. I talked to the field officers and we started a relationship.
I really appreciate Kwan. First and foremost for introducing me to the organic farmers, not just around me but within Kenya. And also the fact that they also keep us updated on what's going on and accommodate us in terms of even helping us also build up on our market.
This journey has not been without challenges.
Mkulima wa organic vitu zake kufikia mnunuzi wa organic produce, transportation inakuwa iko very expensive. Jambo la pili, kumekuwa na wakulima hawafuati zile planting calendars, sababu tukianza hii project tulipanga planting calendars, lakini unapata wakulima it's very hard for them to follow the planting calendars.
Producing conventionally is easy because you get a product, you get a challenge, either pest or disease. There's a quick fix in the market, which may sometimes be cheaper. Not many people want to invest in that type of knowledge and this, from the conventional side. However, the organic systems have more benefits.
The success in Kwan's work is giving Kenyans hope of not only transforming into a healthy nation, but to also supply the healthy food to regional and international markets.
We have been able to make some good steps, developing the collection centers. First, of course, we developed the cooperatives for farmers so that they can come together.
One of the things that we are always looking for is to have diverse traders. This means having multiple traders within different categories so that the farmers are able to also learn and they're able to interact with various scenarios whereby they're able to even adapt to these scenarios. And we've seen quite a large growth in terms of the number of traders working with us, the number of traders willing to engage the farmers, and the quality of produce getting to the market. And we are only going to see improvement along that direction.
There is a lot of difference because when I hear about Kwan, in fact it makes me so happy. Yeah, because I'm living healthy, I'm also assisting the other people to live healthy. Also my products, I can be able to sell to other consumers. Yeah, and I get the market by the coordination from the COAN.
Bereni wakati sikuwa nimeungana na COAN, most of the produce ile ilikuwa surplus, sikuwa naweza kupata market, lakini vile COAN walikuja waliweza kutuconnect na market, sales sasa ika improve, manake market ikakuwa wider.
Kwanza imenifunza vile napaswa kutunza mimea na pili na inapaswa kukua. Hapo ndio kwanza imenisaidia. Ikakuja tena pili kunisaidia na hii nimesema marketing. Kenye nimelima inaniambia naweza peleka mahali fulani niuze nipate pesa. Niwe kwa mfuko. Ili mfuko yangu ikae tu ikiwa na kitu.
The projections is that in the next 5 years we are going to have more farmers participating in this project. In the next 5-10 years, organic we'll have more outlets selling organic products, more farmers producing organic, and more consumers aware and buying organic products.